So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Pudgy Penguins cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once the app is opened up, at the bottom in the middle, select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top, where it says search by name or symbol, just go ahead and start typing in Pudgy Penguins or ticker symbol PENGU. Once it's here, select it. Then at the bottom where it says buy, select that. Then on this page, you can type in how much of Pudgy Penguins you want to purchase. So if you wanted to buy $7 worth, you would type in 7 as an example, and then just press review. Then on this page, you can then review how much of Pudgy Penguins crypto you're going to be purchasing, the fees, the total costs, etc. And if this looks good to you, at the bottom where it says swipe up to submit, just swipe up to submit the order that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Pudgy Penguins cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.